think you own whatever land you land on. The earth is just a dead thing you can claim.
Hello, this is our Coke volcano.
So we're gonna make it explode.
That's Diet Coke.
Should I put more?
Yeah, put more.
So
Okay,
we're gonna
let's
put
move it
some
to-
Mentos, just mint.
Give it a lot.
I don't know how much should we put.
You know we had some of the paper.
Here's your face.
Hi.
Dada. Hi. Wait.
That's the 2 little Coke.
Who cares? Move your hand.
Darn.
Okay, here's. Show the cup.
There you go.
Okay.
There you go.
So I'm gonna cover it.
Cover it. 1, 2, 3, go. Epic fail.
Here's another one. That was fair. Okay, this is
Let's
fair.
try it again. How are we gonna pour it out? Add more. I think it's doing. Okay, add more.
I think it's coming.
It's coming. Careful.
I think we need
More
more
Coke. Do we need more Coke?
Yeah, put some more Coke. Yeah, just put some more Coke. This is so